Please be advised, the following presentation is not intended for minors.
Hello, welcome to Check6 Mind Goblins, where I purposely make terrible videos to appease my mind goblins. Today we are back with more Crash Team Racing Nitro Fueled. Let us just mess around with our characters for next. Right, we got Von Clutch last time. Right. Alright, mess around with my shit. Cause OCD bullshit. Olive I have for Crunch. There we go. Alright, so we're about to go into the next section here. Actually, the last section before we get to, like, the end game stuff. Where we have to, you know, race against Oxide and then do all the gem cups and shit. Okay, first, let's get this lost egg. Ow. Okay, so I gotta... So I can't just get it from that angle, I think. Oh, shit. Okay. This could be a bit of an issue. Maybe I can just... Yeah, I need a bit more speed. Skirt. There we go. That's all of them, I think. If that's not all of them, then... Okay, I could have sworn the game just immediately, what was it? Yeah, just immediately transports me to where I need to be. But yeah, I think that's all of them. This is 5, yeah? Oh, right, yeah, because we never unlocked this. And we're going in the other way. Oh, it just smacked me right there. Okay, cool, thanks. The map didn't change. Ooh, okay. That's funny. Okay, there we go. Right, I went the complete opposite direction. It was the, previous world, not the, Alright, yeah, here we go. It's this one. I just took a lap around the entire fucking world. Alright, to the door! We unlock King Chicken! There we go. All this for a fucking chicken. So goddamn dumb. Though I think I mentioned it in a previous video, but like the whole reason why that was there is just because like the devs just had that. They just added that to the world for no reason, and people started just like conspiracy posting about it. So like eventually Beanox is like, why don't we actually do something with this? And that's where the golden eggs came from. Alrighty, let's actually do this for real. Alright, good old Engine Labs. Man, I love this track. Like, in fact, all the tracks just in this section are just so good. Man, that jump right there, I remember for the longest time, like, there was just a bug that if you jumped off, like, to the left of that ramp, the game would reset you, like, 3/4 of the way through the track. And people would fucking... people would, like, grief lobbies with that shit. That was close. That nearly hit me. Can't do that fucking turn properly since I can't remap my goddamn triggers. Yeah, I'll bitch about it every fucking video. Why don't be fancy? Yeah, jump on that instead. Man, even like on the PS1, this track was just fucking beautiful to look at. I love all of the details and shit that they put into this. Like the giant mech that they were working on in like that section of the track that we drove by. That's that fucking... Oh, okay, I screwed up my hop there. Okay, I ruined it. But yeah, that's the mech that, was it Cortex or Engine was using in Twinsanity, at the beginning of Twinsanity. Just like cool little references and shit like that. Like, I don't even like Twinsanity, and I think that's cool. Yeah, I fucking said it. I think Twinsanity's a fucking shit game. Do 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 do.
Congratulations, you win a trophy.
We're getting the Oxide stuff now. Alright, customization, swap to Geary. Yeah, still don't have the cart that I use for Geary. Alright. Back to this though. Oh, but I can finally use mustard! Oh, wrong one. Right. It's this way. It's supposed to be Cortex Castle we're going to. There it is. Come on, any day now, game. Ah, lose my reserves there. Oh well. Still only like the beginning of the race, it doesn't matter that much. Still, like, Cortex Castle is one of those tracks that's really difficult to keep your reserves on. You know, for, like, the average player, I mean. Alright, now the fun part. Oh! Dungeon Vaulter, what's this? Use a shortcut in Cortex Castle. How is that a rare achievement? Ah, what a shit time to lose my reserves. I knew it would happen eventually. God, I adore the fucking soundtrack for CTR. I love it. Oh, this track is just too easy for me now. There we go. Oh, right, I just remembered. Yeah, I'm fucking recording this on the Saturday, so I'm getting the weekend bonus too. I should probably check out who the, who's on the pit stop. See what character we're going to buy this fucking recording session. Ba-ba-da-bow.
Congratulations! You win a trophy!
Alright, Cortex's face. Oh, wait. Almost forgot. Time for Spyro. Right, we have all of this shit now. No, fucking, come on. No, that's Oxide. Team Trance. I guess we'll go this one. There we go. So yeah, I use the Team Trance stuff for Spyro because, believe it or not, if you've never played Crash Nitro Kart for the GBA, Spyro was actually an unlockable character in that. And he was on Team Trance. Spyro was supposed to be an unlockable character in all versions of Crash Nitro Kart, but for some reason it got changed at the last minute. But the Game Boy Advance version was already done, so they couldn't change it in time. Alright, so how well can I actually do Hot Air Skyway without the use of U-turning? Ah, damn it. Okay, lost my reserves. Oh, well. Shit. I knew that would happen. So yeah, I can't U-turn properly. It doesn't give me, like, the full, It doesn't give me, like, the full turn radius properly. Like, the version that I have, like, I keep the same momentum I was going, but, like, I stop and, like, turn around on a dime midair, which is a significantly worse way of doing it. And yeah, because of that, things like that can happen. Ah, shit. So I'm very surprised the game hasn't given me a golden Wumpa fruit yet. Considering it's been a while since the last time we played. Usually does that, like, immediately. Oh, you bitch! My reserves, no! Oh well. I at least have the boost though. That'll help. Why was that there? That, oh, God damn it. I saw it, I freaked out for a second, like, I'm going to hit that, and then I lost my reserves and still hit it. God damn it. Oh, shit, that was close. Hey, Super Flame Spyro. Alright, one track left. It's gonna be Oxide Station. How the fuck is that going to go without my ability to U-turn? That's going to suck. Like, I should still be good. It's just gonna be significantly harder. And it's Team Oxide Yellow. Ganasty Ganok. Right, I still don't have his thing. Alright, I'll just go Team Trance Green instead. Alright, this is gonna be rough. Ah, you bitch! That was close. Alright, time for this to get hard. Fuck, I hit the wall. I slightly touched the wall. Crap. Oh, I'll save the boost for this lap. Oh, fuck off, I hit the wall. Come on. Alright, the game did that thing where it likes to hop multiple times instead of drift. Ah, shit. Ruined my lines. It's rare, but it happens. If you hop on, like, a very specific frame... I mean, if you attempt to drift at a specific frame, it does a hop instead. I think it's a bug. Not 100% sure. Oh, Master Drifter. Successfully used all 3 turbo boost charges 5 times in a row. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm just that good at the game. Ah, fucked it right at the end. Alright. Oh, well, I'll take it. Alright, time for Pinstripe. So the game actually fucking loads. My old main.
What, you call that racing? Forget about it. If you's gonna race Oxide, you's gonna have to get past me first. I'm the speed champion here, and I'm gonna save the world. For a sizable fee, of course.
Oh no, watch me not react to that bomb at all. Hey, got the Team Oxide car. So yeah, back when I used to play, you know, the original Crash Team Racing, Pinstripe was the character I played all the fucking time. It's like, kid me was like, oh yeah, he's a gangster and he's a rat, he's got a gun, that's so cool. But then I learned later on in life, it's like, oh, his speed class is meta. So like, him, Coco, and Engine were like the best characters in the game. Alright, bitch. Yeah, this is gonna be an uphill battle then. Kinda forgot his whole thing was the bombs. Oh well. If I can get past him... I was about to say if I can get past him here, I'll be fine, but... I knew that would happen. Fuck. Alright. This is when the bosses actually get a little annoying. Took until, like, nearly the end of the fucking game for it to happen, though. Like, Pinstripe and Oxide are the only difficult bosses in the game. There we go, I caught up. Just gotta make sure I'm not directly behind him. Like that. Hey, can you give me something other than, like, TNT, please? Give me something I can actually, like, shoot forward. Would be fantastic. There we go, okay. We've won. I just needed to get ahead of him. Managed to hold me off for an entire lap, though. Good on him. Robbed my own fucking TNT from the previous lap. Oh, there goes my reserves. Oh, well, didn't need them anyway. Oh, that was... Fuck. I was about to say that was close, but I still fucked it. Oh, well. I'm still so fucking significantly ahead of him. Why don't you get a job?
So, you's beat me fair and square. I doubt you'll be this lucky with Oxide.
Bro hides the key in his tire.
Here's a key for your troubles. Ah, brother.
What a weird way to hide it. Wouldn't that fuck up his car, too? Especially with how big the key is. Alright, time for Oxide.
Well, the little terror vermin has finally collected all the trophies to become world champion. What took you so long? Now we prove who the fastest driver really is.
There we go. Got pinstripe, charcoal, pinstripe sticker. Customization. Let's swap to the chicken. The chicken is going to beat Oxide. Alright, now how fucking hard is this going to be? Alright, he cheats, I forget about that every time. Alright, gotta catch up to him. Yeah, he swaps between all of the items. Now, bomb face. Fucking, come on. I landed right on top of it, come on. Cringe! There's so many. Go, bitch, go, you bitch. Oh, why do they have to be there? Oh, fuck off. Oh, hey, this'll help. I'm coming for you, you bitch. There we go, I win. The upside here is Oxide doesn't have any weapons that actually, you know, target anyone in front of him. Because he did not think at all that anyone would get past him. Like, technically he has the bombs, but he's only programmed to shoot them backwards. Hey, there we go. Kept the reserves for the next lap. Let's go. Now he's double fucked. I say as I smack straight into the wall. Doom 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 doom. There we go. Easy. Interstellar Challenge. Win against Nitrous Oxide in Adventure Mode. Ooh, yeehaw! Complete Adventure Mode on Hard. Technically, I'm not done.
Can't believe you beat me.
I'll take it.
Lose. How embarrassing. I'll be the laughingstock of all Gasmoxia. Fine. Your miserable planet stays gushy and green. At least you still haven't gathered all my time relics. Until you collect
Yeah, I'm working on it.
those and race me again, you'll never be able to claim you are the fastest. This won't be the last time you'll face nitrous oxide. We will meet again.
Yeah, then the credits. Crash sold his life story to a major movie studio. The film entitled The Color Orange will be released for the holidays. Crash can now be found somewhere on a beach down under doing what he does best. Dancing and napping. Yep. Dr. Neo Cortex went back to scientific research and discovered a new element in the periodic table. Numerous lawsuits failed to change the name he boldly chose for Element 119. Cortex rules the worldium. That fucking sucks. That is such a shit name. Tiny Tiger's many fans admire his physical prowess, which encouraged him to start a series of online fitness videos. Tiny Bo was Tiny then moved to Beverly Hills, founded a popular chain of fitness clubs where he sold his patented lemongrass and avocado infused. God damn it. Coco went on to start her own video game streaming service. Oh my god, she started Twitch? Although her company is still in the red, share prices are going through the roof. Yeah, that sounds like Twitch. Ancient opened a custom auto parts store in Toledo, Ohio. The store closed after a massive recall. His patented Clear the Road. Oh, fuck's sake. His affinity for flare and destruction landed him a job in Commenter in the wildly popular Giant Robot Battle Network, POG. Dingo Dale started a new career as a firefighter, trading his flamethrower for a water hose. Since then, he is consistently praised for his effectiveness on the job and is most recently featured on the cover of Yearly Fireman something something. Polo became the head flavor scientist for a leading ice cream company. He created bold new flavors like Salmon Swirl, Squishy Squid Sundae, and Mackerel Mint, but it was the Tuna Spumoni. Puro joined Las Vegas Tiger show of Siegfried and Floyd. His starring role came to an end when one day Puro accidentally closed his... Oh, yeah, it's Siegfried and Floyd. Yeah, it's... God. It's so shit. Pinstripe left racing, became a used car salesman in New Jersey. Of course he did. Although a top salesman each month, his atypical methods unfortunately led him to lose his license, return to previous work as CEO and bodyguard. Papu Papu joined the Wild Wrestling Association, changed his ring name to Mr. Bad Belly. His signature move, the Bad Belly Bounce, was so popular that it ignited a worldwide dance phenomenon. The big belly banging could be heard something. Ripperoo turned his attention to amusement park industry, somehow became a thrill ride engineer. How? He was blacklisted after officials learned that every ride he created was just a new way for him to test his own threshold of pain. Komodo Joe opened Honest Joe's wedding ring and rare gem outlet in Zurich. After a series of sting operations, shortly after his brother Mo announced the opening of a jewelry auction house. You do not get the time to read these fucking things. Entropy began tinkering with his time machine hobby again. He was last seen entering a time warp ball. It is said to have met a peculiar man in a red coat with the sweetest kicks you've ever seen. After they decided it had to go back. Nitrous Oxide went back to the planet Gasmoxia, a broken alien. After years of therapy, Oxide emerged from seclusion to begin racing again. Unfortunately, the unicycle was a poor vehicle of choices, resulting accident put an end to his ambitions of conquest. Oh god, so dumb. Alright, let's skip. Let's skip the rest. But yeah, there's just so much. Oh, I got the scrapbook. Oh my god, look at all this artwork. Yo! Oh, look at the artwork. Oh, it's so good. Guys, you're looking at the artwork? It's so nice. And look, spoilers for shit we haven't seen yet because it's part of the, what was it? The Grand Prix and stuff that's no longer part of the thing anymore. Not gonna lie, I didn't even realize that they added more stuff to the scrapbook with each, Grand Prix. Because who the fuck goes back to the scrapbook after each Grand Prix?